Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. This is Unité 11, leçon G. And in this lesson we'll see together le préfixe il, so il. When we're talking about prefix, normally we're talking about, letters, a group of letters that you will put in front of existing words, and by adding these letters or group of letters you will change the meaning or the original meaning of the word. Okay, and that will be the case with this prefix il. Okay, so let's see. And so normally if we're talking about this il prefix, then it will mean privé de sans. Okay, and this is actually what it means in English, so without or then, well, less. Okay, so that will be the meaning of this il prefix. Let's see 3 examples. So the first one here, légitime. Okay, so légitime. And then if you want to express, well, the without concept, then you will add this prefix il at the beginning, and then after that you continue with your original word légitime, and now you get illégitime. Okay, illégitime, légitime, illégitime. Second example, lisible. Okay, lisible, and then same idea, you just add this il in front, and then you get illisible, illisible. And the last one, légal. Okay, légal, exactly the same concept, you just add this il in front of légal and you get illégal. Okay, so of course you understood that we add this il here because the original word is starting with L. Okay, so that's the reason why you will have this I and then L. Alright, so légal, illégal. It was a short lesson but quite interesting. We will continue with the following videos. We'll continue with this prefix thing, because I think it's quite important to try to cover them as much as possible. Okay, but then the video, more videos are there. Okay, and then like me on Facebook if you want, and more material can be found at the following address, www.imagier.net. Bye bye.